Every gardener celebrates the first sprout, but we're not the only ones watching. Pests like aphids, slugs, and snails see our gardens as a buffet. Their damage goes beyond chewed leaves, they weaken plants, making them vulnerable to disease. Fungal threats like powdery mildew and black spot can quickly ruin a healthy plant. These problems are part of gardening, but our challenge is to manage them wisely. We want to protect our plants without harming bees, ladybirds, or earthworms. The goal? Balance, nurturing our gardens while safeguarding the ecosystem. It's a dance between care and protection, and every gardener must find their own rhythm. Pests and diseases are natural, but so is our ability to respond thoughtfully. By understanding the threats, we can act with purpose. Let's explore how to protect our gardens, naturally. The right approach keeps our plants strong and our gardens alive. We're not just growing plants, we're guardians of a living world. Chemical sprays promise quick results, but at a cost. They kill pests, and also harm bees, ladybirds, and even our pets. Residues linger on leaves and in soil, risking the health of children and animals. When it rains, these chemicals wash into waterways, harming fish and polluting the environment. Strong pesticides also destroy the beneficial microbes and earthworms that keep soil healthy. There's a better way, natural solutions that work with nature, not against it. For generations, gardeners have used simple, safe ingredients to protect their plants. Homemade sprays can target pests without harming the rest of the garden. By choosing natural methods, we nurture a thriving, balanced ecosystem. It's about protecting more than just our plants. It's about caring for the whole garden community. Let's see how easy it is to make your own safe, effective spray. You can make an all-purpose garden spray with just a few kitchen staples. Here's what you need: 1 liter of warm water, 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil, half a teaspoon of mild liquid soap, and 1 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. Mix the ingredients in a clean spray bottle. The soap helps the spray stick and breaks down soft-bodied pests. The oil smothers insects like aphids and mites. Bicarbonate of soda changes the leaf's pH, making it tough for fungi to grow. This simple mix tackles pests and fungal diseases without harsh chemicals. It's safe, effective, and gentle on your plants. Generations of gardeners have trusted this recipe for a reason. With just a few steps, you've created a powerful, natural defense. Now let's learn how to use it for best results. Protect your plants and the life around them, all with a homemade solution. Your garden's new armor is ready. Always test your spray on a small leaf first. Wait a day to check for damage. Spray early morning or evening, avoiding hot sun to prevent leaf scorch. Focus on the undersides of leaves, where pests hide. For active infestations, spray every 5 to 7 days until pests are gone. To prevent fungal diseases, use a light spray every 2 weeks during damp weather. Consistency is key. Gentle, regular care works best. By choosing natural remedies, you protect your plants, wildlife, and family. Your garden becomes a safe, thriving haven. Ditch the chemicals. Embrace the magic of homemade solutions. Happy gardening.